Hello, good morning. So for today, I'll be doing the online bookkeeping task. So for this one, I'm a little bit familiar with this since I already had an experience with the BPO industry, and this was one of my technical supports work or task is helping my customers in guiding them on how to use QuickBooks Online. So for this one, I already set up everything. So for now, I'll be adding our customers. Yes. For now, let's just do our customers. So we'll be adding it manually. So of course, stated here, I do need to go see the customer's name. So first one is April. So just put April here. Email april@gmail.com. Just an example, and yep, you just click save. And of course, I'll be adding another customer, new customer. The other customer's name is Jana. Jana, and the email is jana3030@gmail.com. Yep, I can fill in the other details, but since the details is not complete, I will just put in the important things. So I'm just going to save it, and the other one is of course adding the suppliers. So you can do it here, but it's much easier if you can just click plus new and click here for the suppliers. So add a supplier. For the suppliers, let me just go back again. First is Flowdesk Incorporated. Flowdesk, Flowdesk, right? Flowdesk Incorporated. Company name. For the email, support@flowdesk.com. Support@flowdesk.com. Just click save here. New supplier, of course. One is Zapier Incorporated. Zapier Incorporated. Company name. And adding accounting at zapier.com. There we go. And just click save since there are no other things to input. Just click save. And another supplier is we'll just need to add the last one. And the name is here. G2 Global Canada. G2 G2 Global Canada Incorporated. Is that correct? Yep, correct. Support at smtp.com. And of course, the company name is this, of course. Oh, everything is on. Just click save. Now for the next task is, of course, stated here in the bookkeeping, need to track the deposit and track the expenses. So for this one, it's just actually it's just easy. So for this one, let's go here and plus new, or much easier is just go to customers. This is our customers, of course. Yeah, I think it would just be it's much easier if you can just here in the other plus new and click bank deposit. So for the account, yeah, cash equivalents and received from okay, from one of our examples again. For deposit, let's say it's April, so receive 5,500 pesos. So let's go here, click April. Account is for the account is deposit, or no, for the more we need to select the most closest, but since it's just a customer deposit, maybe just go for not expense, equity, cash and equivalents. Yeah, just do that. And description, just put anything for this one. For the payment method, you can use cash, check, credit, or debit, but let's just use cash. And for the reference number, let me just take it here. This is the one 500 1,500 pesos, and this is the transaction ID. Already save it beforehand, so just put it in the reference number, and the amount is 5,500. Here we go. We can just click save and close. And as you can see, we'll need to add another one. Since we have two customers, bank deposit again. Receive this time. Let's receive it from Jana, and the account is here. So it's 999 pesos. So let's go to bank deposit. Just cash equivalent description. Put anything. Let's just use cash, and the reference number again. Here for the transaction ID, as stated in the tutorial of our course video, is 199. Save and close again. And there we go. I already put that. So the other one is we need to track our expenses. Is it correct? Yeah, expenses. So for this one, you just go to expense, or to be more specific, you can go to suppliers. You can do it here, but you can also do it here in Plus New. You can just click expense, and what did you pay? You can select it here. The three suppliers here. Let's go with Flowdesk first. I misspelled Flowdesk, but it's okay. Just Flowdesk here, and category. Let's say it's stated here. For Flowdesk, just billing agreement. So maybe we can just put anything here. Maybe equipment rental. And for the description, we can just put it here for the transaction ID. Since it's Flowdesk, okay, I did not keep track. It's $38. So here is the transaction ID. Let's just put it here in our description, so we do have the transaction ID. And here is the amount is $38 or 38 pesos. Since it's put there, so we can just do it again and save and close for this one. Or to be more easier, if you don't need to select the other one, we can just do here and click here and create expense. It's already here inputted. So what tax category? Let's check again here. Transaction 99, billing agreement. Yes, I think all of this is billing agreement. Yep. So for this one is it's already here. So we have a reference. Let's just put it here in the description, and maybe bank charges, or just maybe supplies. And the amount here that's stated $29.99 or PHP, since PH save and close. Now another expense is for Zipper, the last one. So over here it's $30. I do have the transaction ID also here. Just put it here. Category of, sorry, in this description, maybe bank charges on 30 pesos or $30. So we can just save and close also. And that's how you create, or I already add customers, add suppliers, and this is how you track deposits or track expenses. So for this one, as you can see, it's here, it's showing up here, your expense. So this shows up to everyone for your expenses and also your customers. And that is all.